Hi students, Andhra Pradesh.
Please like this video, subscribe, get notified.
I am Monica from 10th class, Rajpeta. Today I will explain this sum. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. E and F are the points on non-parallel sides, AD and BC respectively. Such that EF is parallel to AB, show that AE by ED equals to BF by FC. Solution. Given that AB parallel to DC and EF parallel to DC gives rise to EF parallel to AB. Join A and C. Is the point G. In triangle ADC equals to EG parallel to DC. From Thales theorem, AE by ED equals to AG by GC. Is that equation 1? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, GF parallel to AB. From Thales theorem,
for watching.
Please subscribe, like,
from Thales theorem,
share.
BF by FC equals to AG by GC. Is that equation 2? BF by FC equals to AG by GC, reciprocating on both sides. From equation 1 and 2, AE by ED equals to BF by FC. Hence proved. Thank you to all.